Before you speak, do this one thing and watch your nerves calm instantly. When we're nervous before speaking, our body thinks we are under threat. Our heart races, our cortisol spikes, our breath gets shallow. Here's a simple reset. Fully exhale, as if blowing from your mouth into a straw. Blow all the air out, feeling your stomach flatten as you fully exhale. When you empty your lungs completely, down to the bottom, you signal to your nervous system, we are safe. Our heart rate slows, our stress hormones settle, and you return to calm. And here's the bonus. That calm becomes the energy you carry into a room. True magnetic leaders aren't the loudest, they're the steadiest. Think of wolf leaders, often the quiet ones at the back, holding the pack together with calm authority. When you step in with that energy, people sense it. They feel grounded by your presence, and that creates instant trust. So before your next presentation, interview, or tough conversation, exhale fully. Reset your system and lead with calm.